Hey, welcome back to Hammer Wrench Renovation. Today is the day we draw the winner for the Rogue No Heat fix. And this is a permanent fix, and if you've seen the videos, you know how it works. And if you've seen the video, hopefully you have entered, and you're one of these 9 people here. Lanisha, Tom, Austin, Raju, Scott, Samantha, Kevin, Jason, Stephanie. So, what I have done is I have entered all the names into the Wheel of Destiny. Not really, but I watched Friends recently. So what we're going to do is we're going to spin it, and it's going to remove a name. And so until we get to the end. So each person will have a number. And the reason I'm doing that is in case whoever is chosen doesn't respond. After a certain amount of days, it goes to who came afterwards. And so that way, everyone has an equal chance, just in case somebody doesn't check their comments or whatever. So here we go. I'm gonna press the circle. Tom, you are the winner. You are in position number 1. We're going to remove your name. We're going to go to the next. Jason, you are number 2. Raju, you are number 3. Scott, you are number 4. Lanisha, you are number 5. Austin, number 6. Kevin, number 7. Stephanie, number 8. And Samantha, number 9. So, thank you everyone for entering. Congratulations, Tom, for getting first place, first opportunity to win the No Heat Fix. Also, a big thank you to Nathan over at Rengade Solutions Company for making this possible. With his hard research and work, he has now patented this kit here to permanently fix your Nissan Rogue's heat. Now, Tom, what you need to do is you need to look for me to comment on your comment in my number 3 Nissan Rogue No Heat video, right where you put your name in your vehicle year and model. And once you do that, I'm gonna need you to email me your contact information. I need you to email me your address so I can send this out to you. And Tom, I'm going to give you 7 days to complete that. So just in case you were on vacation, you didn't get your notifications, or whatever it may be. So 7 days from when this drops, and I'm going to put this video out today. And today is Friday, September 26th. So I'm going to give you until next Thursday to contact me. If you don't contact me, we're going to go to Jason. He is number 2. So, Tom, hope you contact me. Hope you get your car fixed. I hope you have heat when it's cold, because cold's coming up pretty soon here at the end of September. It will be winter before you know it. thank you everyone for commenting, subscribing, for watching our content, and go over and see Nathan. And especially when you get your kit in, he's got great instructions included in the kit, also great video instructions. And I know the video instructions often help me out whenever I'm fixing things around the house. So thank you so much. This is Skip. We'll see you next time.